Hello and welcome. If you have spent any time on YouTube at all, you know the value of a good YouTube thumbnail. So today I'm going to be showing you how to use the free version of Canva to create a beautiful YouTube thumbnail. So the first thing you're going to do is go to canva.com and log into your account or sign up for a new one. And then you will be taken to this homepage where you can search, click create a design up in the top right hand corner, or simply click on the recommended designs to find the YouTube thumbnail dimensions. Now when this opens up, you're going to see that it's a blank page, but to the left of your screen you have a multiple pre-made designs that you can just use as a template to go off of, adjusting the colors, the fonts, the images, and the elements such as icons or design patterns you want to make to customize to your brand. So we're going to use this group in here, and you see if you have different categories you could use the different designs accordingly. We're going to click on this first one, and Canva is a drag and drop platform. It's very intuitive, so to change anything you kind of just click and delete and edit. It's very easy to use within a couple of minutes of playing around with the platform. So I'm going to click and I'm going to delete these elements because I don't need them. I'll delete the whole group. I'm going to double click and change this to my thumbnail title. And you'll notice I've just kept it to 3 or 4 words because I'll have my title in you'll notice it's just a couple of words because I really want to keep the text big and eye-catching. And there's also the title to explain in more detail. So I'm going to drag this out just by clicking and dragging. I'm going to change this by clicking the little A to change the text color. I'm going to change it to black. I'm going to click on the drop-down menu to change the font, and there's a ton of fonts available. You'll see if you have Pro, you can access more. I like this one right here because I think, not this one, yes, this one. I think this is a good one, and you'll see that this doesn't really make any sense, so I need to pull this across and I'm going to drag it down here. You can also change the text size here, but I'm just going to do it like that. Perfect. And if you want to change the height, you can do that here too. Give it a little bit of spacing. Okay, perfect. Now I'm going to change this background to a color that is in my brand palette, and again you can upload your own palette if you have the Pro version, and this is pretty similar, so I'm just going to keep that here, and I'm going to change this image. So I'm going to click on it, I'm going to go to my uploads, and I've already uploaded all of these images that are designed specifically for my YouTube thumbnails. So you just want to create a little portfolio of images of yourself that you can use. So I just double tapped and clicked and pulled it to the middle so it made more sense. Click done, and you'll see that the template has this filter applied. So I'm just going to click it again. I'm going to go to filter and I'm going to go to none. Now I know a lot of people like to have a picture of themselves over the background without the background in their actual picture, so removing all of this. To do that you would go to effects and click background remover, but this is a Pro feature. Okay, so we've got text, we've got an image. We want to have the image on the right and the text on the left, because if you notice, if you hover over a YouTube video, there's a lot of little icons that YouTube will place here, so we don't want that to be covering up the text. Now I'm happy with my background, but you can change that here. You can add your own different text and designs. There's all these pre-made designs. We've added a photo, but we're going to go on to elements now, and I'm going to search for Canva. You'll see I've used this recently, so I'm just going to click and search Canva. And you can use this to search for any icon relevant to the video that you are creating. So I'm going to just click on this one. I think this is a good one, and I'm just going to place this here, and I'm going to change some of these settings. There we go. So you'll see that was really easy to do. Just click, drag and drop. You don't want to have too much going on in your thumbnails either, because it can be distracting. So I think we're good to go. Once I'm ready to download, I just hit download, and I want to download the PNG file, so I'll click download. And then you just come over to YouTube, and then when you click on upload video, you will be prompted through that process to change your thumbnail. But say you've already got your thumbnails done and you want to change one that you've already made, you just go to YouTube Studio, and this will take you to your channel. You go to videos, select the video that you want to change the thumbnail of, so we'll just click this one. We click the pencil icon for details, and we can scroll down and you'll see it says thumbnail here, and if you hover over it says options, and you select change, and then it will allow you to upload your new thumbnail. I'm not going to do that now because it makes no sense for this specific video, but that's how you do it. So I hope that helps and answers your question. I know this was a pretty for me at least, highly requested video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Maybe consider subscribing if you're interested in more videos. And if you have any other requests, leave them in the comments. I'm here to serve you. Have a beautiful day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you again real soon.